Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're checking out these martini and other fine liquid drink glasses. So this is a really nice set, perfect for parties. A very thick base, very deep inside. Let's check out the accessory that comes with them. Check this out, my friends. Look at these beautiful, beautiful pins. Perfect for your olives or other. Got a swan. It looks either a swan or flamingo. Then you have a couple balls. You got a really beautiful owl. Really nice deer. A skull and another ball.